this thing work? Is this thing on?
What's happening, guys? Kellen Chafee coming at you from Sayulita, Mexico. Facebook has changed my life, and you might be wondering how. I'm an everyday person just like you. 2.5 years ago, I was a heavy-duty mechanic. I did not mind the work, the pay was okay, but it was never giving me the time freedom and the financial freedom that I needed to do what I loved, which was traveling the world and making an impact. So after scrolling through my newsfeed one evening after work, I saw an ad pop up in my timeline, and at first I thought, this is just another one of those Facebook things. I don't know if it's legitimate, I'm just gonna let this go. And about a year went by. I kept doing the same thing every single day. It was a routine that never ended. You know, waking up, going to the gym, going to work, coming home, making dinner, watching TV, and doing the exact same thing on repeat over and over and over again. So what happened is my desperation pushed me to try something different. Doing the exact same thing over and over again and expecting a different result is the definition of insanity, and I knew that. So I made that change. I took the leap into an online business that taught me how to affiliate market online. Fast forward my life 2.5 years later, guys, I've now been able to travel to over 8 different countries in the last 6 months, and I've been able to live life on my own terms every single day. I'm a regular guy, guys, just like you, or maybe regular girl just like you as well. You know, I don't have a lot of education. I dropped out of school grade 10 because I had a child at 17 years old. I have 2 daughters. And I'm just a regular guy who wanted something more. So I took this leap of faith, guys, and my entire life, its entirety and what it is today, all came down to one choice, one decision, which is taking a leap and doing something different than everybody else was doing. If you're a little skeptical, and you should be, there's a few different things we can do here. What I would love for you to do is comment info below, and what I'll do is I'll actually contact you personally. It's not gonna be my assistant, it's not gonna be some robot, it'll be me in specific. I would love to hop on a video call with you. I'd love to ask you a few questions to see if you're a good fit for my team. And I would love to teach you the skills that I've learned over the last 2.5 years that have allowed me to live a lifestyle like this one. All right, guys, much love. Talk soon.